In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Zoom meeting on your website. We'll walk through a simple, reliable approach that works well for most sites, and I'll share a few tips to make the experience smoother for your visitors. First, you need the meeting join link. In Zoom, every meeting has an ID, and the web client uses a URL that looks like the Zoom web join address followed by your meeting ID. Using the web client path ensures the meeting can load right in the browser instead of immediately launching the desktop app. Copy your meeting's join URL or note the meeting ID you want to use. Next, open the page on your website where you want the meeting to appear and add an iframe. Point the iframe source to the Zoom web join address and replace the placeholder with your actual meeting ID. For a clean, responsive layout, place the iframe inside a container that maintains a 16:9 ratio. A common approach is a wrapper with relative positioning and a top padding that preserves the aspect ratio, and the iframe set to absolute positioning with width and height at 100%. Include permission attributes so the browser can use the microphone and camera when the meeting starts. These permissions only take effect when your visitor explicitly joins and grants access, but having them in place prevents unnecessary prompts or blocks. After you've added the iframe, publish your page and test it in a modern browser, like Chrome. You should see the Zoom join screen embedded right inside your site. Try joining the meeting as a visitor would. You'll likely be asked to allow the microphone and camera, and depending on the browser and the account's settings, Zoom may suggest or prompt opening the desktop app. That behavior is normal and is influenced by security policies, user preferences, and Zoom's own requirements for certain features. A few tips to keep things smooth. Make sure your site is served over HTTPS. Browsers can block camera and microphone access on insecure pages. If the video frame looks squished or leaves empty space, double-check your container's sizing and the iframe's width and height. Test on desktop and mobile to confirm the layout adapts well. Also, if your organization uses strict content security policies or iframe restrictions, you may need to ensure the Zoom domain is allowed so the page can load without being blocked. That's it. With a meeting join URL and a simple responsive iframe, you can display a Zoom meeting directly within your site and offer a seamless, browser-based join experience.